The wintry theme continues. 2 routes in South Wales affected by snow this morning. There could be further snow showers, and also in northwest England through this afternoon. It may be a little bit slippery as well as the snow melts. Now, the snow is courtesy of northerly winds that look set to continue for the next few days. In fact, we've got showers elsewhere as well at the moment across Scotland, now developing across southeast England. But we've also got some sunshine here in West London, a hole in the cloud across central Britain at the moment. Parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland too seeing some sunshine. But the theme will be for some scattered showers to develop in many parts this afternoon. They could be fairly slow moving with lightish winds in central and eastern parts, and there could well be some further sleet or snow, especially over the high ground, even the odd rumble of thunder. Now, the wind's not quite as strong as recently, but still a chilly afternoon, temperatures up and down in the showers, and still quite a strong wind up in Scotland. But the wind's starting to ease, and just the hint that later tonight they'll turn more to the east across northern England, and that could bring some rather more persistent rain, sleet and snow. The Pennines and the Peak Districts could see several centimetres by morning. That could cause some problems, but elsewhere it looks like the showers will die back mostly to the coast, and we could have a few more mist and fog patches come morning, and a fairly cold night to come once again, colder for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and pretty cold in central and western areas as well. And we'll keep the frost in northern, but further south the greens more indicating, I think, ground frost rather than air frost. So for Friday, low pressure complicating the scene and perhaps bringing some rather more persistent rain into the southwest later, and that rather more persistent rain, sleet and snow across northern England may push up into southern Scotland, but elsewhere after a fairly fine start, a scattering of sleet and snow showers developing especially over the hills, some hail and thunder as well mixed in for good measure. Then for Saturday, this area of low pressure starts to move across the southern half of the country, wet and dull weather, some sleet and snow over the higher ground, elsewhere a scattering of showers, but it could become quite windy along the channel Saturday night before the winds start to ease and that low starts to move away on Sunday.